What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Have Mercy Trades YouTube channel. Obviously, it's your girl Mercy. I'm just going to be going over how I step-by-step trade Nas100 every single day during market opening with my trading community. All right, so pretty much the first thing I want to do is identify if I should be looking for bullish or bearish order blocks. Now, starting on this 1 hour time frame right here, I can see overall price has been failing to swing higher, indicating that price may want to continue to sell. All right. And then I can go back and forth on this video. I'll just go back and forth from the 30 to the 1 hour just to keep things simple. I also do see sellers are being stopped multiple times in this area here. So I'll put SSL, which is an area sellers are being stopped at multiple times, letting me know liquidity resides above. Now I do see ever since, I want to say last night, price has been trending upward, but it now has come to this 30-minute order block area. Now you can draw order blocks from body to body, or you can do it from body to wick. It's completely up to you and how you really want to trade the order, or how you really want to draw the order block. All right, so I know I have sell stops. I have price failing to swing, and then I know that there's some imbalance below. So imbalance means like there's a strong impulsive move to the upside. This is a strong impulsive move to the upside. There were like little sellers involved in that, right? Well, obviously, I guess it would just be this candle that I'm really talking about here. So there's little imbalance there. And then I'm sure if we go to, there we go, the 4 hour time frame, you could see the imbalance way better, right? So there is imbalance on the 4 hour time frame, and even more so right here. Like, yeah, this is small imbalance. It is an impulsive move, but this is really what I'm looking at right here. It's a strong impulsive move to the upside with little to no sellers involved, right? So there's imbalance below, price is failing to swing higher. All right, and I have marked this 30-minute order block up. All right, so I don't take trades anytime before market opening, which is 9:30 a.m. EST. All right, so the trade tapped into, or the market tapped into this order block at 8 o'clock. So now it is 8:30, 9 o'clock. All right, so price seems to be rejecting the area, right? So if 9 o'clock comes, I'm aggressive during opening. If 9:30 comes, I'm going to be aggressive and I'm going to enter this trade. Now, I always have my stop loss no more than 50 points, right? And then I typically would want to go for the overall target would be like the order block below sell stops. Okay, so the way I create my take profits is I just make them key areas in the market. I want my first take profit to be 20 to 30 points away from entry. Just because if I'm doing my, I call it the safe house method. If I'm doing the safe house method, I put my first trade, take profit to TP1, and then I enter that I have a second entry and I make that at a lower take profit that I'm scaling and taking partials along the way. I also have another method called the 1-to-1 method. That means I do 50-point stop loss and 50-point take profit. So those in my trading community pretty much have the option to do whatever method that they feel, comfortable with. I always suggest that if you're going to do a funded account, you should do the 1-to-1 method because we have a really good win rate. And that just helps you stay within the risk management rules, okay? So as you can see, the areas I'm marking are just key areas that I see that the market has liked in the past. All right, so let's just say these are all my take profits, right? Boom, my stop loss. And if you are the type of person that likes to up their lot size and just do the 1-to-1, be in and be out, then your trade would typically look like this. All right. So then your trade would typically look like this. Now I'm only entering this trade, obviously, if there was rejection off of this 30-minute order block. And there actually is. So boom, TP1 and 2 were hit. If you entered on the 1-to-1 risk to reward trade, and you were only going for 50 points, you're already done for the day. That's why I always suggest up your lot size a little bit, but always know what you're gonna lose in a trade before you enter. So for me personally, on one of my funded accounts, I like to risk 0.6 of the 50K account. So that's $300. So I enter two trades, or you can do one trade, right? But I enter two trades at 0.3, and I set them both at 50 points. That's $150 each, $300. So I know every day I'm either making 300 or losing 300. But with an 87% win rate, I can afford to lose like one time throughout the week, whatever, because overall I'm winning, right? So that's how I would do that. If I'm doing this one, I'm typically doing, okay, my first entry is already out. I secured around, let's see, I know it's 20 to 30 points. So this one was 28 points. So I just secured 28 points. So whatever my lot size was, and then equated to that 28 points, that's how much I secured so far. And take profit 2 has now hit. So I have one more entry in this trade, right? I can either decide to take partials off the entry still running and move my stop loss to break even, or I can continue to let it slide. Since 50 points has already been given to me in the market, I'm going to move this second entry to break even, right? So now this stop loss is at break even. Okay. Boom. Look at that. Now TP 3, 4, and 5 were hit. So now my stop loss is actually going to be at TP 3, because I don't want to leave all that money just running on the table, right? So now my stop loss is at 80 points. Okay. 80 points in profit. And I've secured partials, right? And then let's keep going. Price actually ended up coming to hit my stop loss in profit, but that's okay because I secured 28 points from my first entry, and then I secured partial profits and then 80 points with the stop loss. So overall, still a great day. All right. But that is just step by step how I pretty much trade Nas100 daily. I choose one of these two methods in how I trade it. It really just depends on what account I'm trading on. I do have a trading community that you guys can definitely check out. The website is www.havemercytrades.com. And my trading community, we pretty much do 3 live sessions per week. Nas100 signals called daily. We do a weekly market overview call every week, and we do one educational session every week. All right. All of these calls are recorded for everybody to go back and review. There is a community chat, and we also do student appreciations. All right. So that is just a little bit about my trading community and how we trade Nas100. If you have more questions, definitely drop them in the comments section. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or evening.